Hey, this is Casey Radford for Project 3, where we're going to talk about platforms. I want to talk about one of the most important platforms that we know today, and that is cloud computing. Cloud computing grows, faster and faster each day. It becomes more and more popular. Different services pop up. Basically, cloud computing allows you to store something in what they call the cloud, which is basically a virtual storage for us, which out there in the real world would be on a server by whatever service is supplying it. It allows us to then go on an internet website and basically bring that anywhere we go. So we can log into, for instance, I use Dropbox. So I store something from my computer to a Dropbox folder, then I go to, say, the library where I want to print it out or I want to spend some more time working on it, and I can open it up from that website and resave it there and access that at another time. Additional platforms are, a desktop computer and laptops. Let's talk about the migration from desktop computers to laptops. Desktop computers in the past have always been more powerful and tend to be the choice computer. However, as technology has changed, we have seen the growth in laptops becoming more powerful, having more memory, having more RAM, having built-in cameras such as the one I'm using today. So laptops continue to take over the computing world, and I feel like that trend will continue. As for mobile devices, you have your tablets and your cell phones, and they basically use the same they use the same software. You have your iPads and your iPhones. They all use the iOS, the mobile iOS system from Apple, and then you have the Droid software that's created by Google. Their whole concept is to do the same thing to allow mobile communication. However, it's set up a little bit differently. As far as personal preferences, I personally like the Mac. I use a MacBook Pro, and I like the software because it's not as vulnerable as Windows software as far as security. So that's the type of software I use. I hope everybody's learning a lot with this lesson, and can't wait to see everyone's videos.